Hello, everyone. It's Shunter
Hello.
again.
And Julia here.
And today we are watching the reaction videos of Finding Nemo Seagulls. Mine. So let's get started.
Mm-hmm. Mine. Yep.
Love it, Doc.
Mine.
Oh, we should do that at the pool party when we do my thing.
Yes, we should do at the pool party. Or the Rapids water park.
Without my mom. Because she's going away.
Are you going to the Rapids?
Sure, I can't go without her.
Oh.
Because my mom is on a vacation.
Oh.
She gets back on Monday.
Oh.
Angelina, do my thing. Okay.
Mine.
Yeehaw! That's all for today. Thank you guys for watching. And see you next time. See you all later.